Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of March 1st, 2024. Here are some upcoming events. Enrollment is now open for students new to PBMA. If you have an incoming kindergartner or have friends or neighbors who would like to join our PBMA family, please email me or stop by the school for a registration packet. This Saturday, March 2nd, will be an open house for students new to PBMA, 10 o'clock a.m. for the elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. for the secondary campus. This is a great opportunity for incoming kindergartners to see the school and for fifth graders to tour our middle school. Our spring elementary catalog fundraiser runs through March 6th. Students who sell 6 or more items will be invited to the delicious chocolate fountain party. In addition, if a student sells 20 or more items, they will receive an additional prize, an adorable motorized piggie. On March 15th, our fifth graders will visit our secondary campus to see all the great opportunities PBMA Middle School has to offer. March 16th through 25th is spring break. Students return to school on Tuesday, March 26th. And March 26th is Elementary Class Picture Day. These pictures are taken in uniforms. March 29th is a spring holiday, no school for students or staff. Please note the new day for Astro Skatenight. Astro Skatenight will now be Thursday, April 4th at 5:30 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. This is due to a scheduling conflict with the rink. Admission is $11 per person and includes skates, a bounce house, colored hairspray. And Astro Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Kindergarten Roundup, which is an orientation for incoming kindergarten students, will be on Thursday, April 18th at 5:30 p.m.
Hello my friends, this is Ms. Thomas, your high school counselor, with a few announcements. My first few announcements are going to go to my seniors. Seniors, I have your third quarter graduation check coming up in a couple of weeks. I will be doing that on March 14th. So parents, please be on the lookout for their graduation check letter, checking off everything that they have, and I will have highlighted everything that they are missing. Also, seniors, please start sending me all of your baby pictures, your family and fun pictures, and some pictures that we have taken for school activities so they can be presented at your amazing graduation ceremony. Also, seniors, please start sending me any colleges that you've been accepted to, or certification programs, or even military programs that you have been accepted to, so we can acknowledge that at your graduation ceremony. And lastly, seniors, please start sending me any scholarships that you have been awarded as well. Also, seniors, final announcement. Please let me know if you need any assistance as you are filling out your college applications, and I will gladly help you. Any letter recommendations, your transcripts, I will help you with your college applications. Next few announcements are going to go to all of my high school friends. Please continue to look out as I send any scholarship opportunities. I can also assist you with those scholarship applications as well. And of course, you know I'm not going to go without stating community service hours. Please remember, guys, you need 20 hours to graduate. And if you get more hours, there are a lot of opportunities for you as well. Speaking of community service, we have an opportunity with Ms. Robinson at the elementary campus. You can get a lot of hours volunteering with her. I have started a shuttle bus to go there after dismissal every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It will be bus number 10 if you decide to ride over to the elementary campus and help Ms. Robinson out there. And shout out to all my high school friends who have already started helping over at the elementary campus. Please continue to go. And lastly, I would like to give a huge shout out to all of my juniors, my seniors, Mr. Ishmael, and the Palm Beach State College staff for an amazing field trip of their Explore Palm Beach State College tour. We had an amazing time. Students got an opportunity to tour their Lake Worth campus and take a closer look at some of their programs, including their arts and humanities, their allied health, their engineering programs, and so many other programs. Students also got a chance to learn more about their dual enrollment and early admissions program as well. And there was also on-the-spot application. Some students were able to fill out and apply to Palm Beach State College right then and there. And lastly, which was probably one of the best parts, some students even got some prizes, some gift cards for displaying everything that they learned and the knowledge that they gained from the tour. So a special shout out to all of my friends who were able to participate. And that's all I have for you. Thank you.
Now it's time to dive in with Andropod and meet the Shark Crew.
Thanks, guys. This week we're at the elementary campus and we're going to meet the third grade team. I have with me right now Miss Kiernan, who is the third grade team lead. Welcome.
Hi, how you doing? Nice to see you.
I'm better than most. Thank you. Good to see you. How's the school year going so far?
So far, excellent. We've seen a lot of progress in the success of our students. We're very happy about it.
And that's a good thing because if I'm correct, third grade is a critical year, right?
Third grade's critical, and I teach the third grade retention, so I'm especially happy.
Well, that sounds great. So now I'm going to just turn it over to you so you can introduce the rest of your team. How's that?
I would be happy to. First, we have Ms. Hines. She's our math teacher. And she has, we were just talking, 30 years experience.
Hello, I'm Miss Hines, yeah.
Ms. Hines, and we have Ms. Hill. She's another reading teacher.
Hello.
And we have several other teachers. Two are out on maternity leave, and one is absent today. Ms. Navarro is absent, and Ms. Boyd is on maternity leave, having given birth to a beautiful baby girl. And Ms. Sawyer, any day now.
All right, thank you. And I forgot to mention when I first brought in Miss Kiernan has been with us for 21 years. Congratulations and thank you for your years of service.
I'm an old lady.
We'll see you next week for another Dive In with Andropont and Meet the Shark Crew.
Bye, everybody.
This week in the Miss Terciero Media Center, our students enjoyed purchasing books at our spring Scholastic Book Fair. Thank you to the parents who helped out with the book fair. Let's take a look at what's happening at our STEM and Maritime classes. Students in Maritime Science are learning about the different types of energy. They are also taking a closer look at light energy using a prism to split white light into beautiful colors. This week in STEM, grades 3 to 5 will be learning about natural disasters such as earthquakes and building a moving model simulating an earthquake. Grades K to 2 are building train tracks with the Coding Express kits that use traffic signs to avoid problems and accidents on the tracks. The students are using problem-solving skills through coding. Our kindergarten and first grade classes visited Delray Children's Garden. During this fabulous trip, the students learned about the importance of earthworms to the environment, saw a butterfly garden, helped garden in a vegetable garden, played in a sandbox, and climbed rope ladders on trees. Our secondary school participated in the Beebles Winter Power Up Contest. The contest recognizes outstanding students who worked hard to build up their Lexile reading levels. These students won the most Beeble points during the contest rounds. They are Elizabeth Malvi Almador, grade 6, Alonzo Aniro, grade 6, Tylen Stewart, grade 10. The secondary science teachers celebrated their students' classroom successes with an ice cream social. A special shout out to Miss Wynn, our 8th grade ELA teacher. Her novel study of A Raisin in the Sun has been a big hit with the students. The students have been fully engaged, and had the option of reading character parts. This excellent behavior earned them a popcorn party. Secondary students visited Marine Lab in the Keys. Students learned to identify the different types of mangroves and seagrasses and why they are important to the ecosystem. The students participated in coral reef ecology lessons, and students learned about the different types of coral, how they are formed, and their importance of gauging the health of the ocean. The best part was snorkeling among the mangroves and the coral reefs, and they made observations about their ecosystem. Our girls' soccer team won 3-1 with 2 goals from Amaya Francis and 1 by Natalie Bonita Torres. The girls' soccer team also won 3-1 Thursday night against Imagine in a stellar game. Amaya Francis scored 2 goals and Sofia Inerio scored 1 goal. All the girls participated in a great team effort. It was a great game full of excitement. This weekend was the SecMe competition, a science club for 4th and 5th graders. Our students competed in the banner competition, bottle rocket, mousetrap car competition, and on-site build. We are proud of all of our team members. And finally, here are some pictures and videos of the very talented PBMA students and staff participating in the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.